Welcome to English Practice Everyday. This collocations quiz is at the intermediate level. Please keep your own score out of 20. Part 1. Multiple choice. Choose the best meaning for each collocation. 1. If something is in vogue, it is D. Currently popular. If something is in vogue, it is currently popular. Vintage furniture is in vogue right now. Long skirts are back in vogue this season. 2. If you count on someone, you B. Depend on them. If you count on someone, you depend on them. We can't count on him being on time. They counted on good weather for their picnic. 3. A low blow is C. An unfair or cruel remark. A low blow is an unfair or cruel remark. Mocking someone's appearance is a low blow. Making fun of someone's cultural background is a low blow. 4. An old flame refers to A. A past romantic partner. An old flame refers to a past romantic partner. Alex and his old flame reconnected on social media after many years. The sight of my old flame at the party brought back nostalgic memories. 5. If there is bad blood between two people, they B. Have a long-standing conflict. If there is bad blood between two people, they have a long-standing conflict. The two families had bad blood between them for generations. The divorce left a trail of bad blood between the former spouses. 6. A silver bullet is D. A perfect solution to a problem. A silver bullet is a perfect solution to a problem. Technology is often seen as the silver bullet for improving educational outcomes. There is no silver bullet for weight loss. It requires a combination of diet and exercise. 7. A rallying cry is B. A motivational call for unity. A rallying cry is a motivational call for unity. The coach's words served as a rallying cry for the team. The leader's speech became a rallying cry for the protesters. 8. If someone stirs up a hornet's nest, they C. Provoke a difficult situation. If someone stirs up a hornet's nest, they provoke a difficult situation. Investigating corruption in the government is like poking a hornet's nest. Bringing up the topic of politics at the family dinner turned out to be a hornet's nest. 9. A fool's errand is A. A meaningless or hopeless task. A fool's errand is a meaningless or hopeless task. Trying to convince Jake to change his mind was a fool's errand. He was stubborn. Many believed that attempting to negotiate with the hostile nation was a fool's errand. 10. Forbidden fruit refers to D. Something tempting but off limits. Forbidden fruit refers to something tempting but off limits. Dating a coworker felt like testing the forbidden fruit of office relationships. Sneaking out after curfew became the forbidden fruit for rebellious teenagers. Part 2. Multiple choice. Choose the best collocation to complete the sentence. 11. The new law requires all businesses to dash dash health and safety regulations. B. Comply with. The new law requires all businesses to comply with health and safety regulations. 12. We need more dash dash in the deadline. Completing this project in 1 week is impossible. C. Wiggle room. We need more wiggle room in the deadline. Completing this project in 1 week is impossible. 13. Restoring the ancient painting was a true dash dash for the artist, as he worked on it with passion despite no payment. A. Labor of love. Restoring the ancient painting was a true labor of love for the artist, as he worked on it with passion despite no payment. 14. John is the dash dash of his father. They look exactly alike. B. Spitting image. John is the spitting image of his father. They look exactly alike. 15. Allowing small exceptions to the rule might lead to a dash dash, where the entire system collapses. D. Slippery slope. Allowing small exceptions to the rule might lead to a slippery slope where the entire system collapses. 16. The two political leaders are dash dash over trade policies, unable to reach an agreement. A. At loggerheads. The two political leaders are at loggerheads over trade policies, unable to reach an agreement. 17. A graduation ceremony is considered a dash dash in many cultures, marking the transition into adulthood. B. Rite of passage. A graduation ceremony is considered a rite of passage in many cultures, marking the transition into adulthood. 18. You shouldn't dash dash on others without proof. Spreading false criticism is harmful. B. Cast aspersions. You shouldn't cast aspersions on others without proof. Spreading false criticism is harmful. 19. His outdated opinions make him seem dash dash. He refuses to accept modern ideas. D. Behind the times. His outdated opinions make him seem behind the times. He refuses to accept modern ideas. 20. The budget for the new project has become a dash dash between the two departments, as no one can agree on how to allocate funds. B. Bone of contention. The budget for the new project has become a bone of contention between the two departments, as no one can agree on how to allocate funds. That's all for this quiz. I hope you scored well. Bye for now.